Hi, this is the street preacher, Duane Lyon. I've been blessed to travel through 70 nations of the world, 47 U.S. states. I'm taking a little time out now to share some poetry with you. I've got a beautiful poem I recently wrote titled, Look. So now I'll share that. Climb to the top of a tree. Look around, him you will see. Float on your back in a water stream. Watch a sun ray or a moonbeam. There you will see him. Look at a rainbow and know. Stand quietly in a forest. Hear him whisper, I am here. Listen to his voice, find his rest. In a lost hayfield lay, find his way. Climb up on a mountain, drink from a river fountain. Taste him, gaze at the sea. Barefoot, him you will see. Never alone, walk in the sand free. Soar on a swing made of vine. Rocks, cliffs, creeks divine. In all of nature, him you will find. Look at a carport of grass damp with dew. Pine cones many, mushrooms few. Walk through a valley, stare at the stars. See the flowers, soak up God's showers. Sweet Manitoba, too busy. Slow down, look all around. Discover anew each day. Sing with me and say, how great is thy art, O God.